Hi everyone, really quick, I'm back on here again because there was a couple of things that I forgot to mention in my previous video. My objectives for my lesson: students will be able to observe and identify how magnets are used in everyday life by determining characteristics of magnets and magnetic properties. The next generation science standards for this activity are 2 PS1-2. These are second grade standards. Analyze data obtained from testing different materials to determine which materials have the properties that are best suited for an intended purpose. And 2-PS1-1. Plan and conduct an investigation to describe and classify different kinds of materials by their observable properties. Teacher information that is important to have when doing this student-led activity. Teachers should know that magnets attract or repel other objects because of the force called magnetism. Magnets come in many shapes and sizes and have two charged poles. The poles attract or repel the poles of other magnets. Magnets only attract some types of metals, not all. Bigger magnets are generally stronger than smaller ones. Students should know how to safely participate in a science lab. They should know how to ask questions, applicable questions, and relevant questions. They should know how to read and write, should be able to classify and sort objects based on their characteristics, should be able to present their information in front of the class. Students have hopefully at least seen a magnet before and are somewhat familiar with what they can do. My ELA and math integration. For ELA and literacy, I selected W.2.8. Recall information from experiences or gather information from provided sources to answer questions. Students can work in groups of 2 to 3 and read books, either online or in person. Books such as Magnets Push, Magnets Pull by David Adler, or What Can Magnets Do by Alan Fowler. My math integration is 2.md.d.10. Draw a picture graph and a bar graph to represent a data set with up to 4 categories. Solve simple, put together, take apart, and compare problems using information presented. So students will use paper and pencil to construct a bar graph or picture graph to represent the number of items that were attracted by the magnets and how many were not attracted by the magnets. And I think that's it. Sorry I left that information out last time.